Leave them. Kumba likutukwe mfumu. Ngata ulefwa ya kula kutuka. Fumapo pachipo pakapoto hapo. Tubika pachipo chesu cha kwa tule tukalionza. People sometimes go and vent. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. People vent, Wamwamba. People vent. Yeah. I could be struggling with a different issue, and then I come across what the president has done. Then I sit on my machine and vent. Now, when you vent at Wakakulonga, imwe mwale tuwale bichita ko vent, tawale tulonga. Nomba imwala mbo kulonga shani abantu. Mwekare katuka nifika fielu.
Father Donosco. Mwambe nepe pomubele leko waka sonso.
Achumwina ngumbo, ye problemi. Wata muntu mwina ngumbo na kaonde pamu. Ni pomu.
Oh my goodness.